Here is how you can use ChatGPT and Descript to create a video without showing your face or using your voice. Firstly, we need an idea for the video. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT, give me 5 video ideas on AI for marketing. Then I hit enter. ChatGPT has given me 5 video ideas. For this example, I'm going to choose the first one. So all I did was create a video script from this, and then I pasted in the first idea. And I hit enter. As you can see, ChatGPT has given me a script with an intro, with sections, and even a conclusion. All I need to do is copy this entire script and then head over to Descript and start a new project. I just titled it AI for marketing, and then I want to click on start writing. Now all I need to do is paste in the entire script. So now that I have my script, I want to create a voice for it. So here I'm going to click on speaker, and then if you upload your own voice, you can use your own AI generated voice, or you can use stock voices. So let's hear what it sounds like. So this is Dawn.
Life is like a camera.
Life is like a camera. Just focus.
Life is like a camera.
Life is like a camera.
So I'm
Just
gonna go with
focus on
Malcolm
what's
for now.
important.
In just a few seconds, I was able to add voice to my video. So let's just click on play and hear what it sounds like.
Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on understanding the basics of AI in marketing. In this video, we'll be introducing the concept of AI in marketing.
As you can hear, this sounds actually pretty realistic. Now we need to add some images or video to this video. In Descript, all we need to do is now separate the scenes. We just hit backslash on our keyboard. As you can see on the left, it has created multiple scenes. Now we need to add the videos. All this will be done in Descript as well. We click on the media, and from here we can choose videos. I can now type in artificial intelligence. As you can see now, it has given me these videos. I can add this into my first scene.
Hi everyone, and welcome to this video.
If I want to use this throughout the video, I can use this one clip as well. But if I want to create multiple clips, that is pretty easy as well. I'm going to do the same thing, and let's choose another video. So I can choose this one, and this will be added to my video. And then if I want to add text over it, you can do that as well. So just click on the text bar and then click on title or subtitle, whatever it is. I can just type in, this is a test heading, and then I can add a background to it if I like, or I can put a border, and if I want to make this smaller, I can make this smaller. I can change the dimensions of the text. I can point it wherever I want. And if I want to add captions as well, that's pretty simple. We just go ahead over to captions, and as you can see now, it's added the captions. And if I want to make it fancy captions, I can do that as well. Just do it like
We'll
this.
be introducing the
And you
concept
can
of
see now we have fancy captions as well. Descript has allowed us to create a video with the visuals and the voice as well. And we did all this without showing our face and